Meet the double oven, designed for people who love great food without compromise. 2 separate ovens, 2 different temperatures, one beautifully seamless cooking experience. Whether you're roasting a Sunday lunch in the larger oven and baking a delicious crumble in the smaller oven, everything cooks exactly how it should, all at the same time. The main larger multifunction oven offers complete cooking flexibility, allowing you to grill, roast, bake and fan cook consistently with excellent results. When using the fan function, even heat distribution ensures uniform cooking across every shelf, without the transfer of flavours and aromas. An efficient and effective way to cook for the whole family. This multifunction capability is also available in the smaller cavity, which features both grill and conventional cooking functions. Ideal also for baking, roasting and casseroles. It offers versatility for smaller portions, the option to use less energy and additional capacity when you're entertaining. The digital control panel provides clear guidance and precise control when cooking. Large symbols clearly show where the heat is generated for each function, offering intuitive insight into how the oven is operating. A temperature gauge indicator tracks the heat up process, so you can easily see when the oven has reached the desired temperature. The Smeg Double Ovens are also made from high quality materials and ensure the longevity of the oven. These include 1810 medical grade steel that will ensure the oven doesn't rust, stain or degrade over time. A cool touch exterior designed with safety and comfort in mind, and there is even a double layered enamel on the oven interior to make cleaning simple. These easy clean interiors are just the start of the cleaning options available on the Smeg Double Ovens. All models feature the option to vapour clean using water to steam release stains from the interior, whilst a pyrolytic self-cleaning model provides minimal effort, as this oven uses a high temperature to turn food and debris to ash. These smart cleaning options keep your oven looking its best, requiring minimal effort. The range also includes a double under oven, ideal for maximising space in compact kitchens. Designed to fit neatly beneath the worktop, it still offers 2 multifunction cavities, with clear, simple controls and the effective vapour clean function, making it an excellent solution for smaller homes. Smeg Double Ovens combine Italian design heritage with smart everyday functionality. Clean lines, intuitive controls, a look that elevates your kitchen before you even turn the oven on. From weeknight dinners to big celebrations, you'll have the flexibility to cook more with less stress. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.